What if I told you that the future of software development is not just about coding? Welcome to the world of DevOps, a revolutionary approach that merges development and operations. In the next few minutes, we will unravel how CI/CD, pipeline automation, and effective release management can change the game. But wait. Did you know that organizations implementing DevOps can deploy 30 times more frequently than those that don't? That's right. The impact of integrating development with operational processes is nothing short of extraordinary. Let's dive in. Chapter 1: Introduction to DevOps. DevOps is not just a set of practices, it's a culture shift that encourages communication between development and operations. It eliminates silos, fostering a collaborative environment that is crucial for success in today's fast-paced tech landscape. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment, two key pillars of DevOps. Continuous integration automates the merging and testing of code, while continuous deployment takes it a step further by automatically releasing all code changes to production. Let's explore how this mechanism enhances productivity and reduces errors. Here's a surprising fact: by using CI/CD, teams can identify bugs earlier in the development cycle, leading to a reduction in recovery time from failures by up to 24 times. Yes, you heard that right. Now that's a game changer. In Chapter 2, we focus on pipeline automation. Pipeline automation streamlines the development process by automating the building, testing, and deployment stages. This not only saves time but also ensures a consistent and repeatable process, which is essential for quality assurance. How do we set this up effectively? Imagine deploying your application in minutes instead of days. With pipeline automation, that's possible. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Circle CI are instrumental in facilitating this transformation. Let's discuss popular tools and their features in detail. Now, let's take a moment to step back. What could this mean for your current workflow? Could your team benefit from adopting DevOps principles? Let's reflect on the adaptability and readiness of your team for this cultural change. Midway through, I want to pause for a moment. If you're enjoying these insights, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us bring more valuable content your way. Now, let's keep going. Chapter 3: Mastering Release Management. Managing releases effectively is crucial. It involves planning, scheduling, and controlling the build and deployment process in a seamless manner. Let's delve into strategies and best practices for successful release management. Did you know that companies with high-performance release management practices can release features 40 times faster than their competitors? This is because well-managed releases can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and engagement. Isn't that an eye-opener? As we wrap things up, let's recap what we've learned today. DevOps culture, CI/CD processes, pipeline automation, and release management are indispensable for a successful tech operation. The transformation requires commitment, but the rewards are substantial. In looking towards the future, the DevOps landscape is evolving. New technologies like AI and machine learning are being integrated into these practices, enhancing decision-making and operational efficiency. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll discuss these trends in depth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join us next time as we explore the next wave in the DevOps revolution. Until then, keep innovating.